Welcome to this tutorial on generating Paddle subscription management. Paddle is a popular platform for managing subscriptions and payments. And in this guide, we will walk you through the process of setting up and managing subscriptions using Paddle. First, you need to create a Paddle account and set up your product. To do this, go to the Paddle website and sign up for an account. Once you have created your account, you can add your product and set the pricing plan. Next, you need to generate a Paddle overlay. The overlay is a JavaScript code snippet that you need to add to your website to manage subscriptions. To generate the overlay, go to the Paddle dashboard and navigate to the overlay section. Here, you can customize the overlay to fit your brand and product. After generating the overlay, you need to add it to your website. This will allow your customers to purchase and manage their subscriptions directly from your website. To add the overlay, simply copy and paste the JavaScript code into your website's HTML. Now, let's talk about managing subscriptions. With Paddle, you can easily manage your customers' subscriptions, including upgrading, downgrading, and canceling plans. You can also set up webhooks to receive notifications when a customer's subscription status changes. Best practices for generating Paddle subscription management include setting up clear and concise pricing plans, providing excellent customer support, and regularly reviewing and optimizing your subscription strategy. It's also important to ensure that your website is secure and compliant with relevant regulations, such as GDPR and PCI DSS. In conclusion, generating Paddle subscription management is a straightforward process that can help you to manage your customers' subscriptions and grow your business. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can set up and manage subscriptions using Paddle and start generating revenue from your products and services. Remember to always follow best practices and ensure that your website is secure and compliant with relevant regulations.